Hello students, today we will learn 8th Maths chapter number 7 variation. In the first part of the video, we have already learned what is direct variation. Now, today we will learn what is inverse variation. Let's learn second type of variation, that is inverse variation. The statement x is inversely proportional to y can be expressed as there is inverse variation in x and y. If x varies inversely as y, then x multiplied by y is constant. X inversely varies as y is written as x is inversely proportional to y. If x is inversely proportional to y, then x is equal to ky. Now remove the proportionality sign, or you may write x multiplied by y is equal to k. That is the equation of variation, where k is the constant of variation. Students, now observe how the following statements are written using the symbol of variation. Question: write the following statements using the symbol of variation. Example first: the wavelength of sound L and its frequency f are in inverse variation. So here the wavelength of sound L varies inversely as its frequency f. Second example, the number of days required to finish a job is inversely proportional to the number of women employed. Here, let the number of days be D and the number of women be N. Therefore, number of days, that is D, is inversely proportional to number of women employed, that is N. So D is inversely proportional to N. So students, in this way we can write the symbolic representation of inverse variation. Now let's learn how to write equation of variation for given example. Question: find constant of variation and write equation of variation for every example below. First example, P varies inversely as Q. If P is equal to 15, then Q is equal to 4. Now see what is the solution. P varies inversely as Q, that is given. Therefore, P is equal to K upon Q, where K is a constant. Therefore, PQ is equal to K. That is the equation of variation. Now, substitute the value of P as 15 and value of Q as a 4 in above equation. Therefore, 15 multiplied by 4 is equal to K. 60 is equal to K, that is the constant of variation. Therefore, PQ is equal to 60 is the equation of variation. Second example, x varies inversely as square root of y. If x is equal to 15, then y is equal to 9. Solution: x varies inversely as square root of y is given. X into square root of y is equal to k, that is the equation of variation. Now substitute the value of x as 15 and value of y as a 9 in above equation. Therefore, 15 into square root of 9 is equal to k. You know that square root of 9 is 3. Therefore, k is equal to 15 multiplied by 3, that is k is equal to 45. K is equal to 45 is the constant of variation. x into square root of y is equal to 45 is the equation of variation. Let's learn another example. If m varies inversely as n, when m is equal to 15, then n is equal to 20. If m is equal to 30, then n is equal to 40. Solution: m varies inversely as n, that is given to you. Therefore, m is equal to k upon n, where k is a constant. Therefore, m into n is equal to k, that is the equation of variation. Now, you have given the value of m as a 15 and value of n as a 20. From these two values, we have to find out the constant of variation. Therefore, substitute these two values in equation first. M into n is equal to k. M, that is 15, multiply by n, that is 20, is equal to k. So therefore, k is equal to 300. That is the constant of variation. Now you have given the value of m as a 30. Then find out the value of n. So substitute the value of m as a 30 in above equation. Therefore, 30 multiplied by n is equal to 300. Therefore, n is equal to 300 divided by 30. N is equal to 10. Let's study some more example. The boxes are to be filled with apples. If 24 apples are put in a box, then 27 boxes are needed. If 36 apples are filled in a box, how many boxes will be needed? Solution: let the number of apples be x and the boxes needed to fill them be y. Students, here more the number of apples in a box, less is the number of boxes required to fill them. Therefore, this is a case of inverse variation. Therefore, x varies inversely as y. X is equal to ky. Therefore, xy is equal to k is the equation of variation. Now, x is equal to 24. That means number of apples, that is 24, and the number of boxes y is equal to 27. Therefore, 24 multiplied by 27 is equal to k. So, k is equal to 648 is the constant of variation. Therefore, x into y is equal to 648 is the equation of variation. Now, substitute the value of x, that is 36. So, x multiplied by y is equal to k. X into y is equal to k. Substitute the value of x as 36. So, 36 multiplied by y is equal to 648. Y is equal to 648 divided by 36. Therefore, y is equal to 18. That means 18 boxes will be needed. Students, you can solve examples from practice set 7.2 as your homework. Thank you.